Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you multiplication tables of 10. Let's start writing. 10 times 1 equals 10 times 2 equals 10 times 3 equals 10 times 4 equals 10 times 5 equals 10 times 6 equals 10 times 7 equals 10 times 8 equals 10 times 9 equals 10 times 10 equals. Now, guys, this has a trick. So, if you know 1 to 10 numbers, you know the multiplication tables of 10. So, let's write 1 to 10 numbers here, okay? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we write all of this. Now next to it we keep 0. And then we again keep a 0. So it becomes 10 and 20. And then it becomes 30. And then it becomes 40. And then it becomes 50. And then 60. And then 70. And then 80. And then 90. And then what comes? 100. So guys, this is the trick. See? Now let's read multiplication tables of 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. Guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up. Bye.